We're back here at the Sage Creek Cottage project again today, and we're going to talk a little bit about the tile and the process of tile. At Northridge Homes, we use fairway floors for our tile and our flooring. And as you can see, we're starting the tile here in the bathroom. This tub unit will have tile all the way to the ceiling. Here in this bathroom, you'll see that we've started with a sealer before the tile goes on. In a previous video, we talked about the den shield that goes on the wall behind the tile. That was then sealed and painted, and then the tile layout was put on the wall so that the tile guy knows where his parameters are. And then it was sealed again with a base sealer for the tile. So there's multiple layers of seal going on to help protect your wall and the tile installation. The corners have been reinforced to help prevent leaking, because that's one of the highest points of leaking in a tile shower. So you can see here that the tile guy has started his layout, and he's really taken his time to keep everything square and level and do a real nice job. Our tile setters, he's an awesome installer. We really love the work he does. And in that, in taking his time, you can see that the spacing, he's using spacers, lots and lots of them to keep the spacing real nice and even. And in the end, the product is just going to be amazing. So at this point, the tile is being placed on the wall. That will get completely finished. So the next phase, once the tile is done, it's set and cured, and it's well adhered to the wall, will be the grout stage. The grout will be installed. That will dry and cure, and then we'll move on, and plumbing trim will get installed. You can see here, like the faucet just has a temporary stub put in it, and that is for the tile phase. That'll get replaced with the shower head, etc. And then we'll have a completed shower. One thing that we've learned over the years is that if we don't protect the tub unit during the tile stage and the drywall stage, etc., things just tend to happen. People spill stuff, etc. So in a Northridge home, we build these tub protectors and put on top of the tub so that during the tile stage, the tile guy has a place to stand without standing in the tub, drywall stuff, and it doesn't become a garbage can, if you will. We have a great group of subs, and they really do a great job of keeping our homes clean as we're going along. But this is just one of those things that we add to help ensure that is the fact. I'll take just a quick second here and talk a little bit about the tools that are used to do a good job with tile. As you can see, our tile installer has a really nice saw setup. The difference between cutting tile with a tool like this and versus the handyman style tile saw, if you will, is just absolutely the fit and finish that you get. You'll see that in the pictures of our finished tile work in this home, how using the proper tools and having the experienced people do your install will really make the difference. Now you can see that the backsplash here in the kitchen has been installed, and the tile we've used is a nice, easy to clean tile, non-porous, and that we've added Sluter metal to the end of the tile. In most everywhere we do tile in Northridge Homes, we put the Sluter metal on instead of having that exposed edge. It's just a much cleaner look, easier maintenance for the customer. You can also see that we've left room for the microwave here. Pre-thought everything out and know exactly what's going to go on the wall so that the tile guy can work easily and the microwave will fit and everything's going to work there. As well as we're in that stage kind of in between, so everything's not perfect yet, but the electrical trim now will be ready to go on as soon as we're grouted, and then the cabinets will get their trim as well. We save that until after this bulk work is done so that no damage gets done to the fine trim on the cabinetry, and it's one of the last things that goes on.